Hello guys, today we will discuss about the how to use the date in Vijeo Designer HMI, Vijeo Designer software, and which is HMI 86400. Now let's go without delay on the screen. This is our project which we are working. So we need to date on this screen in here. So let's start the date. Okay, I'm taking the date display. This is date display. Okay, just take input here and manage the size. Okay, and top width and height I'm increasing 25. Also 125 to greater 30 and length is 125. Manage the position. Okay, let the size, I can do the size. Double click here, properties, and this is the format, day, month and year. You can change from here according to your requirement. Okay, just I am taking spare variable, and actually here day value variable, you can click here and click the create the new tag and take the internal and take double integer dent and click OK. Okay, I have already created the date and day and time and day, month and year. Actually this day variable is I am selecting day and click OK. And also in month section you can choose the month and month. You can choose the month, which is the date. Okay, and also click here the year Y. After that you can take the color of the text. I'm taking red, and the background I'm taking the black. Okay, a font size you can choose from here. I'm taking normal in S Hebron, and no bold 14, 18, 20. I'm taking 20. Okay, after that when we select choose the calendar, I'm taking this, and size you can choose 40. First of all you can check according to this 30. Okay, so 30 into 30, you can take 30 into 30. And also same variable you can choose here, date, month, and year. This variable has been created already. Okay, now and click the position Okay, after that you can all work has been completed. Now you can simulate. I'm simulating this. Now you can see here, this is the date section. You can click on the calendar and check according to your date, whatever date. Here is a 5/1/2024, then 5 January 5 January. Automatically will be pick up same date here. Okay, you can change here also if you want to change here also. If you want to change. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more video notification. Keep in touch for more. Any type of technical support you can put the comment section question. I will try to make the video on that question. Okay, thank you.